Claude in Chrome, the plain version. It is Friday afternoon. The weekly wrap-up is waiting for you. That means 45 minutes of repetitive manual clicking, copying CRM records, drafting the same status emails, and prepping Monday's calendar over and over again. The old move with an AI assistant is to highlight what's on your screen, copy it, switch to an isolated chat window, paste it in, explain the context of what you're doing, and then carry the answer back to your actual work by hand. We are going to detail exactly what Claude in Chrome actually is, map out the 3 distinct habits required to use it well, and show you the exact payoff number that reclaims your Friday afternoon. Before we begin, this is an independent walkthrough, not sponsored by or affiliated with Anthropic. So, what is this tool? Claude in Chrome is a side panel extension that natively knows its way around your primary work surfaces: Slack, Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Docs, and GitHub. As we cycle through its interface features in this diagram, you can see its exact mechanics. It reads the active page you are looking at, it clicks buttons, types text, and carries multi-step jobs across your tabs as a background workflow. You retain absolute control over where it operates. Claude only accesses the specific websites you explicitly give it permission to see. It is available on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise tiers. For those top 3 tiers, you can select the specific model for the job: Opus 4.7 for heavy analytical workflows, Sonnet 4.6 for multi-step execution, and Haiku 4.5 for raw speed. Claude functions as a capable layer draped over the web you already navigate. To use that layer properly, you need to establish habit 1. Stop copying the page to the chat window and start bringing Claude to the page. Say you are reading an event page and you need to draft an outreach email based on it. The slow method means manually extracting the details, switching windows, and explaining the context from scratch. Look at this split layout. The new method is to open the side panel directly on the event page and simply type "draft the outreach email" from this. Because the AI inherently reads the visual state of your active screen, the entire step of human context setting is eliminated. Habit 2 pushes this further. Group the tabs for the job. We are moving beyond drafting from a single page and into active cross-referencing. A standard job usually spans multiple sources. You need to analyze an email thread, extract specific numbers from a spreadsheet, and log those findings into a CRM record. In this diagram, you see the physical action required. You drag those 3 tabs into Claude's uniquely colored tab group. Then you give a one-line command: update the CRM record from this thread and log the numbers from the sheet. This parallel machine process handles the cross-referencing, removing the burden of manual data tracking. Habit 3 locks in the value. Record it once, schedule it forever. You turn one-off manual tasks into permanent, recurring workflows. Click the record icon, manually perform your Friday wrap-up clicks one final time, and save the recording as a shortcut. This is the scheduling interface. Once saved, you can type a / to run it instantly, or click the clock icon to schedule an automatic run for every Friday at 4. If you need oversight, use the Ask Before Acting mode. Claude will write out a step-by-step plan for you to approve before it executes the automation within those strict boundaries. With these 3 habits in place, your browser chores run as automated workflows under your supervision. Let's look back at that agonizing 45-minute Friday wrap-up. Watch this roll down. By automating the clicks across tabs, you spend exactly 5 minutes reviewing the completed work after Claude's notification lands. The Friday afternoon is reclaimed. The wrap-up runs flawlessly, whether you are sitting at your desk or have already left for the weekend. To contextualize how this works, look at this architectural diagram. Chrome is the 3rd of 4 consumer surfaces that sit directly on top of Claude's foundational stack: projects, skills, code, and plugins. Chrome's exact role in this ecosystem is precise. It is the designated surface to handle browser clicking and web navigation. Plain Bureau explains AI tools in plain English. This is post 7 of 8 in our Claude ecosystem series. Next week, we cover the final piece, MCP. Thanks for watching.